If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can sort and filter the data in a pivot table in Excel by using the field headers added to a pivot table's fields. To show or hide the field headers in a selected pivot table in Excel, click the Field Headers button in the Show button group on the Pivot Table Analyze Contextual tab of the ribbon. When enabled, the Row Labels and Column Labels text appears next to a drop-down arrow within a cell above the columns and rows. To view a drop-down menu that shows the pivot table fields sorting and filtering options, click the Row Labels or Column Labels drop-down as needed. If you added multiple fields to either the columns or the rows in the pivot table, then another drop-down menu appears at the top of the primary drop-down menu called Select Field. You can click the Select Field drop-down to select the field by which to sort or filter the values. If you only added one field to the columns or rows in the pivot table, then this drop-down doesn't appear. To sort the selected field's data in ascending order, select the Sort A to Z command. Alternatively, to sort the field data in descending order, select the Sort Z to A command. Alternatively, to open the Sort dialog box to set advanced sorting options, click the More Sort Options command. If you open the Sort dialog box, then click the OK button to apply any sorting options you set when finished. This menu also lets you filter the selected pivot table field to include or exclude values in the pivot table. To manually filter which field values to show in the pivot table, check or uncheck the field values in the Fields drop-down menu to include or exclude them. Then click the OK button at the bottom of the drop-down menu to apply the filter. Alternatively, to filter the values in the pivot table field, roll over either the Label Filters or Date Filters or Value Filters command in the drop-down menu to show a side menu of comparison choices. Then select the desired comparison operator from the side menu to open an associated dialog box. Here enter the value or values by which to filter the field's data. Then click the OK button in the dialog box to apply the filter. To show all the pivot table fields values again after applying a filter, click the drop-down arrow button again, and then select either the Select All checkbox or select the Clear Filter command in the drop-down menu. If you select the Select All checkbox, then click the OK button at the bottom of the menu to finish removing the filters. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.